Welcome to the Solidworks channel. Today's post, fold C channel with two bends on the same plane. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a sketch on the front plane. Step 2. Make C channel. Select the Weldments tab. G1 clearance is 0.5 mm. Rotate 180 degrees. Selecting the locate profile is this point. Fixing the size of C channel. Remove the dimensions and add relations. Step number B. Metal seat. Select the original sketch. Select the Sheet Metal tab. Direction 1 to vertex. Choose this point. T equals 4.5 mm, R equals 4.5 mm. Step 4. Process the model and combine. Create a sketch on the front plane. Do not create sketch on this plane, because this plane changes when you turn the C channel. Easy to lead to error. We create a sketch on the front plane. We use the convert command. Turn these lines into dashes. When cutting the residual C channel section, so we're going to offset these edges by 0.5 mm. Same with this side. Use the extruded cut command. Direction 1, through all. Select the cutting part is C-channel. Select Insert Features Combine. Flatten and check. The length of C-channel is not on the main coordinate axis. We fix the fixed plane. Edit Features. Select the fixed plane, that is this one. The length of C-channel is on the x-axis. So our model is done. We're going to modify it for a new model. Edit Sketch. Fixed length and folding angle. C-channel is folding along the web. If we change the flange, we fix it as follows. Select Edit. Adjust the angle to 90 degrees. Reselecting the locate profile is this point. We edit the sheet metal. Select this point. The thickness of the flange is 5 mm. We fix the thickness of the sheet metal. R equals 5 mm. Flatten and check. Please pay attention. The cut should not touch this side of the C-channel flange. So we fix it. Create a sketch on the front plane. .5 mm. Select Extruded command. Direction 1, to surface. Select this surface. Select Merge Result. So our new model is done. Final step. Save the step file and simulate cutting with TubeKit. Open the TubeKit software. Open the new step file. Simulation of cutting. Choose the number of 2. Nest. Export CNC files. This is a CNC file. Thank you for following all the lessons. Do you have any questions? Please comment below. I will support. Remember to like and share this video to everyone. Goodbye and see you later.